Henry Ngut Kibriu kiladu no elaga jingiem haba ka bus MTC ke bagi syong kalahap na jingkieng Nongchram ka berana kaput jong ka Isgaro Hills bat ka district West Khasi Hills. Kani ka bus kalamin itura banwan sisilong Henry hakasteng senya jong ka sibalang anda kalapoy ka jingkieng na marga jing penherstad bat ka jing mamla bante la kamshu kalali hap spo kawa bat hakani ka jingja kiladon Henry Ngut Kibriu kibalayap kibagentup unongnya ba unong buat jong ka bus. Kidon arpu ingut kibasyong gani ka bos kata kandai ngut natura bat kat arngut na William Nagar bat kidang yot tia lengai hakapor baja kene ka aksiden. Kiladon kat san ngut kibrio kiblesh tomjur bat yakila ra no marmar sekejaka sumar ke benta manu ai ke jing sumar. Kini kinru ngut kibala klat ki kentup ya ke dismi sangma arpun rius nem kerta utraiben armarak arpulai nem kerta utang sembet sangma ka che gamchi ji momen kat prasnem karta bat uba everesta kar umnuit saupsan snem karta kipulit kidang penlong he kejing toket lor kene kejing ja kamtam haba kila suba ba kejing hap kene ka bos syawa kene namar kejing penher step palat ya ka bos.
The buses coming from Tura to Shillong, met with an accident, a tragic accident, and then lots of young students died who has a dream actually about doing something, be something in the future. And then the tragic had happened actually because you see, being in the government, we should take the responsibility. These things might not have happened if some kind of accountability was there from before. This kind of incidences is happening every now and then it's very sad. One time in the same road itself, there was a bus accident. Those who were going for some family function, long time back, and then in the same road itself, I was also, in the government last. I mean, though I was in the opposition, I was raising these particular questions again and again. Why the government should take responsibilities that there is no such checking. For example, the drivers who are taking the, public buses, driving the public buses. The public buses, there are many lives actually. Now, for example, you see, in the flight, all the pilots has to take the breathalyzer first, check whether they are alcoholic or whether they drink or not. But in the state, we don't have such checkings, no accountability at all. I have not seen either in the public buses or in the, MTC also. Not even a single, but lots of drivers are, drinking and driving recklessly. But yet no checking, no fine, no nothing. One of my driver actually here in Secretariat itself, he was so drunk. I was about to meet with an accident. But the public drivers, they are dealing with, hundreds of passengers every day. If this kind of measurement can be, some kind of a measurement can be taken against the public drivers, against the transportation, I think it would be good. I am writing one letter, at least some kind of a serious steps should be taken. They should take up actually, because it's our responsibility. The incident that had happened today, it's our responsibility. It's a fault of the government, you can see, because the system was not in place.